Hey guys, this is our technician Gavin. He's going to be installing the S package on our Tremor F-150.
There's so much to tell about that. It was fun. But to say the least, it was very, very fun. But overall, the installation time, it wasn't too bad. Very impressed with the turnaround time from Whipple, sending the tune back. Very impressed with that. It's pretty nice that the higher ups and your service managers and your store managers trust you with that kind of responsibility to do something like that, because not everyone gets the opportunity to do a big job like that. So it was a blessing to be the one that they trusted to do it.